So from your WordPress dashboard, go to Posts and select Add New. So here first, add your post title, then your post content. Here you can see that the permalink is created, which you can edit as per your own convenience, and click OK. Then we have an option to add media in our post. Here at last we have toolbar toggle option, click on it and more tools will appear. You can bold your text from here, or remove bold, change it into italics, or remove it. Then you also have font options, select the one you like from the list. Here you have shortcut keys for every font. Then we have bullet list option, next to it is numbered list. Select the bullet list and press enter after text to add bullet points in your post. When you select numbered list, bullet points will change into numbers. Next we have text color to change the color of the text. Then cross letters options. On right, below we have categories, tags, and featured images. From top, you can select publish date, click on edit. Here select month, date, year, time, etc. and click OK to schedule. Then we have save draft button to save it as draft, with preview button to preview your post and schedule button to schedule your post. So that's how you can use Classic Editor. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to chapter 42. How to prevent spam on WordPress. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to prevent spam on WordPress, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.